Steve Berthiaume here with Aaron Boone and Jose Cruz Jr. Okay, man, the worst current ballpark in the major leagues. The absolute worst. The one you can't stand is
Oakland Coliseum.
That was too easy.
I know. All the ballparks now are so good, and the amenities, the clubhouse situations, the batting cages underneath. Oakland really has none of that. They're a football stadium. They're a 1970s, 1980s throwback stadium. It is the worst, plus the fact that it's a tough place to hit, especially in the cold.
Yes, it is. For me, it's no offense to the clubhouse guys. I think it's the best clubhouse around is Tampa. I think for an outfielder, I had a tough time there. The ball skips funny. Every ball in the outfield seems to be in the lights, and God forbid you take your eye off the ball one time because you look down and you look up and it is gone.
Is there a newer one? Because Oakland sort of stands out by itself as just dreadful.
As an infielder, Milwaukee, because if you play a day game, there's a certain way the sun will shine through those windows there. It can make it very difficult to see the ball as a fielder, and shadows can really be an issue on day games in Milwaukee.
Well, that's it from here. Oakland, Tampa Bay, and Milwaukee.